The episode starts with Khanderao coming to the darbar and standing near the throne. Everyone claps and welcomes Khanderao. Khanderao recalls Malhar words. Gangoba asks him to throne. Khanderao sits on the throne. Dhanaji and Gunuji get upset. Dhanaji says, Khanderao was waiting for this day. I am ashamed on your defeat. Gunuji says, do not get sad. Khanderao did not get this throne forever. Let him go for Rajputana mission. He would not come back. Ahilya consoles Renu. He says, it's time to unite you both in a relation. Prixit says, you know, I have to go with Khanderao for the Rajputana mission. She says, I will keep the marriage proposal in front of Raja Darbar. Renu worries. Gangoba says, two former brothers, Ram and Shyam, have come to get justice for their problem. Khanderao signs him to call them. Ram and Shyam come. Ram complains that Shyam is not giving him the water for his fields. Shyam says, I have the papers. What we got in our share, we have a right on it. What's wrong if I refuse to give the water? Tukoji checks the papers. He signs yes. Khanderao says Ram asked for water. What else? Shyam says we do not get along well, so we kept these rules. If he got the well in his share, then he would have done this. Ram says never. Shyam argues. He says, I am following the rules. It's not any crime. Renu worries and says, so soon I do not think about the marriage. Ahilya says, you are scared of the people. You cannot deny that you are also dreaming of a family. It's not wrong. You both can stay well after the marriage. You both have a talk and then tell me. Prixit says, I have thought of everything. I am ready. Renu looks at him and smiles. Yumna looks on and is shocked. Khanderao signs Gangoba. Gangoba goes to him. He says, Shyam is saying right. He is not wrong legally. Khanderao says there will be some way to help Ram. How can he use the land without water? It's wrong to refuse for water. Ganguba says we cannot force Shyam legally to give water to Ram's field. He goes back. Khanderao asks Tukoji to make a well on Ram's land using the royal treasuries. Ram says this cannot happen. Khanderao asks, what's the problem? Ram says, I have tried a lot. I have checked well. There is no water in the land. Khanderao says, we shall take a break for some time. We will call you after making a decision. He lives with Gangoba and Tukoji. Gotma and Harku looks on. Gunuji says, what happens by sitting on the throne? One should have a mind. This complicated case come out on the first day. Everyone would know his capabilities now. Yamuna says, Ahilya was talking of widows' remarriage. Renu also agreed. It's a big sign. Dwarka says it would not be a big thing if Ahilya gets this matter in Darbar. Everyone will agree to her. She is educated. She will force everyone to believe that a widow remarriage is not a sin. Yamuna asks, what now? Dwarka says, we shall bring this truth out. We have to plan a big drama. Ahilya would not be able to say this to anyone. She tells her plan. Ganguba says, we have no solution for this problem legally. Khanderao says, Ram knows this. Even then he got this matter to the Darbar. Why? With a hope of justice. We cannot send him without justice. It's not Ram's mistake. He says, we will tell Shyam that it's my decision. He cannot refuse to give water to Ram, else we will put him in jail. Ganguba says, no, Shyam is not wrong. We cannot do this with him. Khanderao asks, what will we do now? Guard comes and everyone is waiting for you in the darbar. Khanderao thinks and says Ahilya. He asks Tukoji to get Ahilya to the darbar. Gangoba asks Ahilya. Khanderao nods and asks him to come. They go. Tukoji asks Ahilya to come. She is needed in the darbar. She asks why Khande Rao is there. He says, Khande Rao has sent me to call you. There is a complicated matter. Come fast. He is waiting for us.